Hey everybody, Alok here, co-founder and CEO of AutoReel. Now, we're on the cutting edge of AI, and AI gets us 99% of the way there. But maybe sometimes the final output doesn't look quite as you imagined it. That's where we can come in and use quick edits, which allows us to quickly redo or swap certain scenes that didn't end up exactly how we intended. Once we've created our original video that you see here, are unbranded or branded, you actually get unlimited revisions through our quick edit workflow to truly make it yours and get the final result you're looking for. Click edit and quick edit here. And now you'll see all the different clips. And if you hover over them, you'll see what was generated. Now, a new update that we made is that if you didn't originally use all 20 photos to create your original video, you can actually add more images into your video. No video credits needed. It's been super in demand and we're really glad to finally bring it in. Let's throw one in. Now, there's a few limitations. So you can do unlimited revisions to the video, but when it comes to regenerations, that's where all of the heavy lifting for compute of our AI engine is. And so when it comes to redos or swaps, you'll have 5 or 6 available, but you'll never need all of those. Now, this will solve any of those glitches or issues that sometimes you might see happens, and just due to the nature of AI today, or you can swap to a different angle of the home or photo in case you didn't like this one. Let's go ahead and redo the motion of this one. I didn't really like it, so I'm going to click redo here. Now, when I look at the other ones, I can actually add more VFX here. Now, this new image that I just threw in, maybe we'll put in the lifestyle video FX here, and then we'll throw in lifestyle into this dining room shot as well, because I want to show what it looks like for people to come to life. The flickering of this flame, maybe I didn't like that, so I'm going to redo that. And maybe for the wine bar, I want to swap this out with a different shot or angle of the cellar. Maybe we want to make it look like we're walking through. That looks good to me. Now again, those are the features that are capped, the redos or swaps. But what's uncapped is how many copies of these videos that you can make. So a really cool use case is creating videos that are full length, the 20 images. And then what you can do is chop it up and create smaller videos, let's say 15 to 20 seconds long, for use cases such as a coming soon, a open house, an under contract, or a just sold. All you need to do for that is click on the X to exclude certain scenes. So let's say we want to have a coming soon video. What I want to do is maybe feature just the outside of the home for this demo. I'm actually going to go ahead and click X and exclude all of the interior shots of the home. Now, don't worry, these are totally yours. You can use them and you can pull them back in at any time. Simply click include to bring them back in. So maybe we want to include the kitchen because that's a focal point, and we want to showcase the living room and fireplace. Maybe that's another piece, but we'll leave the rest of this. Again, we can bring it back in later, but this is a smaller preview video that we want to use to showcase the home that's coming soon to market. And let's, just because we want to redo the shot here. And you know, I'm going to leave everything else the same. This all looks good. So we have 2 redos and everything else as is. Let's click next. And now we can apply our branding updates. So this was already set to open house. Maybe we update this to coming soon, and maybe we don't want to give away the address. We'll call it Franklin, Tennessee, without the specific home address. For the music, I want to use different music this time around. Maybe we're going to switch to this one that I had uploaded on my own. And then the rest of this looks pretty good to me. I'm going to click render branded video. And just like that, you can see that AutoReel is already building the new video based on the edits that we had just created. You'll see the original video here and the branded video queued here. And quick edits will typically be done in 2 or 3 minutes, and the branded one right afterwards. It's that easy to create new copies of videos and redo or swap certain scenes to get the final result you want. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.